Hello everyone, my name is Subramanya. In this video, I'm going to explain how to generate, regenerate backup codes for two-factor authentication. As you all know, two-factor authentication is optional, but it is highly recommended security feature. By enabling this two-factor authentication, we can make our account much less vulnerable to security threats. After providing the username and password, that means credentials to sign in into the Boomi platform, two-factor authentication takes place. A step further, by additionally asking users to enter the temporary 6-digit authentication code. This code we will get from an authenticator application. So you can all refer to the help guide for specific information related to the two-factor authentication. In this video, I'm explaining how to regenerate the backup codes for two-factor authentication. Backup codes are available only for users who are using authentication with SAML SSO. The backup codes are useful when we are unable to enter the 6-digit authentication code. For example, when a phone is lost or when a phone is broken, we are unable to provide the authentication code by looking at the authenticator application. At that moment, these backup codes are helpful. Boomi provides the backup codes as alternative way for users to fulfill the two-factor authentication requirements. That means to use in emergency situations. Backup codes are generated during two-factor authentication setup and acts as a one-time use code. So how to get these backup codes? So after the initial two-factor authentication setup, users can generate the backup codes from settings, account information and setup, and from the authentication panel we will we will be able to set this two-factor authentication, and here we will have an option to generate the backup codes, generate or regenerate the backup codes. Yes, I am not using any SAML SSO here. I am not getting that option, but generally, if who are using the SAML SSO, they will get the option to get get the or generate the backup codes. Each code only be used once. It is highly recommended to track which codes are used. This is one of the sample backup code. This is the backup codes file which I have generated during the setting up of two-factor authentication while setting up in SAML SSO. This is just an example. So if we are unable to log into platform using this two-factor authentication code from using from authentication application, so we can use this backup code. We can only use each code once. If you can neither access the authenticator app nor backup codes to sign into your platform, then you need to contact your Boomi administrator or Boomi support to resolve your access issue. For more information, you can refer to the help guide related to the two-factor authentication. Thank you.